India is aggressively working towards building a semiconductor and display ecosystem to march ahead on its goal of becoming a global advanced manufacturing hub. India's Semiconductor Mission, the nodal agency under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, is working towards efficient and seamless implementation of semiconductor and display schemes.
इसी वर्ष के अंत तक भारत की बनी हुई, भारत में बनी हुई, भारत के लोगों द्वारा बनी हुई मेड इन इंडिया चिप बाजार में आ जाए.
Under the leadership of GSEM, the state of Gujarat is fast emerging as the key hub in this story, with other states also gearing up to start production in the next few years. However, establishing a robust semiconductor industry also calls for skilled talent. With over 1.5 lakh semiconductor manufacturing jobs expected by 2035, there is an urgent need of skilled talent. NAMTECH, the first MET Institute of India, based in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is working towards filling this gap by building a globally benchmarked talent platform to develop India's future-ready semiconductor workforce, anchored by a semiconductor center of excellence within its School of Manufacturing, Design and AI.
Our Prime Minister's vision for NAMTECH is that this should become an institution which clearly focuses on manufacturing in the new age and develops talent both at the working level on the shop floor as well as in the lab and higher level as well as at the research level.
Under the leadership of Shri Ashwini Vaishnav, MeitY has taken strong steps and extended financial support to reduce import dependence and lead the rapid shift in the semiconductor industry. And NAMTECH has committed its full support to the ministry in making this happen.
We are delighted to partner with MeitY, Government of India, to build a world-class semiconductor ecosystem that will power India's journey to Viksit Bharat and together shape India's rise as a global technology leader.